Today we are starting with a new chapter of geography, that is agriculture. So what does agriculture means? It is the science and art of cultivating soil and raising crops. Let's move on to the types of farming. There are four types of farming, like primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, commercial farming, and plantation farming. So what does primitive subsistence farming means? Farming on small patch of land with the help of primitive tools such as hoe, dough and digging sticks and family or community labor. Next is intensive subsistence farming. Increase in the agricultural production by using scientific methods and better agricultural inputs. Next comes commercial farming, which means farming in which the farmer grows the crops with the sole aim of selling the produce for commercial purpose. Next comes plantation farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. Cropping pattern is mainly related with three cropping seasons, that are Rabi season, Kharif season and Zaid season. Rabi crops are grown at the beginning of winters and harvested at the beginning of summers. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon and harvested at the beginning of winters. Next comes Zaid. It's a short cropping season in between the Rabi and the Kharif seasons, used for growing vegetables and fodder crops. Let's move on to the major crops. Major crops are a variety of food and non-food crops, which means fiber that are used for clothing and not for consumption, are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soil, climate and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses, sugarcane, etc. Which are food crops? Groundnut, mustard, soybean, sesame, linseed, sunflower, etc., which are oilseed crops. Next comes tea and coffee, which are beverage crops, followed by horticulture crops, that are fruits and vegetables, and lastly jute and cotton, that are fiber crops. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.